Hello country people, how are you doing? Please hit the like button. I heard that if you do that, the video will spread like pure water business. May God help Igbo with our attitude. While many of us want Biafra, some prefers Nigeria politics. But it is very sad that those among us who choose politics are politically selfish and stupid. As at this time, we already know the biggest opportunity Igbos have in Nigeria as per the presidential slots, and it's Peter Obi. Every Igbo man who believes in Nigerian politics is expected to throw his head around him. Man, that is not the case. Have you heard Ikpeazu? Anyway, this is what he said. 2023. I have pitched my tent for Governor Nyesom Wike. Hey! He said we can't afford to have a president that is colorless. Onyeka was a colorless president. Anyway, that was coming from Governor Ikpeazu of Abia State. You begin to wonder what Wike is doing or has done for Igbo. Or the Igbo. Anyway, Achogode wrote, I thought we agreed that it must be an Igbo agenda come 2023 presidency. Can you see how selfish and wicked some of our Igbo leaders are? Peter Obi came to Owerri for consultations and declaration of his presidential interest in PDP. Ihedioha made sure that no delegate was present to welcome him or listen to his usual economic savings, motivational words. Last, Peter Obi went back with the little savings he wanted to give to the delegates and gave the cameraman who cared to listen to him only 30K. Anyway, but a Sokoto man came into Imo the other day, Tambua. Ihedioha quickly mobilized the entire PDP delegates to welcome him. I pity the gullible who still thinks Ihedioha has a good agenda for Ndi Igbo and Ndi Imo. Ndi Igbo, let it be on record. Emeka Ihedioha has joined Ikpeazu. 2 captured. Maka ndị na-eche Ihedioha. Ndị personal game ha ka ha na-agbagasi. But Nigeria politicians, I'm trying to find something to describe them. They are all the same. In any political party you find them. Hope you are seeing what is happening in the video. And you know when this type of thing used to happen? Whenever election time approaches, Atiku goes to enter one school, go chop your own. Now so then they do. They are very nice people. Oh, they care for the common people. Oh, where is my hammer, Seth? Where is my hammer? I need to cut off one of your hammer. And I wonder if these people think we are fools. As far as I know, this will only provoke us. It doesn't make us feel anything good about these guys. Now look at this one again. This old mama is the mother of late ex-president of Nigeria, Umaru Musa Yar'Adua. And she must be wondering why these big citizens only come to see her every 4 years. And afterwards left to only view them through a television set. What could they possibly want from Mama? Certainly nothing. They are doing this for the public to see. That's it. Oh. Kelebe ha mamundi. As usual, you can't take brilliance away from our people. We are not only known for business. We take lead in several other fields, and education is one of them. Southeast Nigeria, Igbo, the best brands, producing the overall best students in JAMB this year 2022. Congratulations and glory be to God. That's so it be. It be like say we don't enter the last days. Those last days where Bible talk about properly. Based on the news where reached my table, Father Anthony Ago CMF kidnapped. This one happened on the 19th May 2022. Father Anthony Ago CMF was abducted by gunmen who forcefully gained entrance into the parish house in Fear in Jos. No contact has been established with the kidnappers. The person who passed this news say, kindly pray for the safety and release of Father Anthony Ago as you offer the Holy Mass and in your private prayers. And Father Matthew Iwawu, CMF, Provincial Secretary, Nain signed this one. Let DIG Joseph Egbunike's final journey don't begin. Now today, then go bury him. We don't already share the news of his death for this channel. The DIG, an Igbo man, is from Onitsha, and he led the team that looked into Abba Kyari's involvement on Hush Pipi's scandal. That one self, we know they hear anything about the news again. Now, NDLEA drug case, still the show for that matter. Meanwhile, DIG Egbunike has already submitted his report, and it be like say police IG say make them for peruse the report properly again. As Police Service Commission done the kick say them one act. And suddenly we hear say Egbunike chop food come collapse die abi. We don't know waiting kill himself. Anyway, now on to the burial them day now. Today they don't bury him inside Onitsha. It be like say they no prove the death. I don't even know. Abi, the young man died as a result of old age. I if a young man now as a result of old age. I don't even know. When I don't see the burial arrangement for the screen, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Now here we go round up this matter for today. My name na Azuka OJ. I'm gonna continue to watch this channel. I'm gonna share this video wide. And make gonna subscribe if you never subscribe. Make gonna also follow us for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Wanna bye for now.